Let me be right by your side, cause I know that this is right. Don't be shy, just get to know me. We can take this somewhere else. You and me can find ourselves. Stop pretending we are lonely. I can't call your bluff, cause I know that this is love. Can't pretend that you don't feel it. Be that thing that you missed. I know you can't resist. Let me make your life easy. I wanna be your company. I wanna be your company. I wanna be your...
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to start my spring series and I'm going to pretty much clean and declutter my whole house. It's just been a mess ever since I got pregnant with Aviana. I've been trying to declutter here and there, but since I was really big, I was honestly not able to do everything that I wanted, like my kitchen, get down in those drawers. I just couldn't, I couldn't do it. So I am going to take the time now that she can kind of entertain herself a bit by herself. But this is definitely a huge task that I'm going to hit today because it's decluttering my room. And the reason why it's this messy is because we had a flood. And I just had to get everything out of the closet, like everything in that was in the floor in the closet. So that's why I had everything here in the floor. And definitely my laundry, you guys, my laundry, I just have to think of a new way to keep everything in order. These small baskets are just not cutting it. I feel like we have to find just a newer way to be able to store, not to store, but just to, you know, throw in our dirty laundry, like bigger baskets or something. But yeah, that's what I'm doing now. I'm just going to just sort out my laundry, like my white, my color, and my darks. And I'm also going to start decluttering a bit. You guys see that big bag that I'm putting stuff in there. I am just gonna go donate stuff to Goodwill as well that are not necessary anymore. So that bag is just a bunch of clothes. You guys, I also want to apologize. My voice is just really deep. I think I just caught a cold. I've just been sneezing and just have a runny nose. So I think I'm just catching a cold right now. But that's why my voice sounds like this. Sorry, I haven't been posting lately, but I just have not been feeling myself lately. So yeah, so I hope you guys forgive me and I hope you're enjoying this video so far.
Like it is, bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
dresser is literally a magnet for clothing. And you guys don't even see what's under this, but this is Aviana's like infant bassinet. And honestly, we only use it, I want to say like a couple of times, and it's just been there for decor and to hold all this mess. So I'm just gonna quickly take everything out of there and just try to like put everything away and put everything up in hangers.
Looked at my phone like every other second. My future was blurry and numb, a tunnel where there's no light. Oh, but then you came and sat right next to me. Your eyes, they glowed and filled me up. We had never met before that time, but I just knew that we'd end up. You took it, you took it, took away my loneliness. Oh, I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together, together is always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted. We jumped off the subway leading nowhere. Your warm hands rubbed off the cold around me. I heard you say that everything is alright, but how did you know how I felt? You saw right through me that day. I was lost in space, but you pulled me down and wiped away those cloudy thoughts. I could see the sky when you were close to me. I can't believe what you brought. You took it, you took it, took away my loneliness. Oh, I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together, together is always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted. I will always remember it. How you turned everything around. I will always remember it. How you got me off the battleground. How you got me off the battleground. Yeah. You took it, took away my loneliness. Oh, I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together, together is always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted.
I'm honestly so happy I did this, you guys. Like, oh my goodness, like I don't know when was the last time that I saw this dresser this clean. It's just I just feel so good. I feel so relieved. I was trying to figure out what to do with my husband's stuff, so I was just asking him, and he said he was just deal with that later. I honestly just wanted to be done with this room, so I just ended up giving it to him so he can do whatever he wanted with it. But this laptop is so old, you guys. He doesn't even use it, but he says he likes to keep it because he has all his old pictures and stuff like that. What are you guys' thoughts about that? Do you guys have things that you hold sentimental value like that, or do you guys just throw it out? Anyway, I'm just going to finish up sweeping and pick up all this mess, you guys. I'm also going to be cleaning up my windowsill right here. Literally, this is just clutter world right here. It had coins, it has everything you can think of, and I'm just ready to be done with this room. So I'm just gonna pick up everything here, and I'm also gonna be cleaning up my window blinds, and that's pretty much gonna be it for tonight, you guys. I'm just waiting on my duvet. It's actually in the dryer right now, so it didn't make it in time for the video. So by the time it came out of the dryer, I was just like done. I was just like, I'm done with this. My husband ended up putting the duvet on the bed, so that was really nice of him. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys got some motivation. It is a pretty lengthy video, so I hope you guys really enjoy it. If you like these type of videos, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. Like this video so I can keep making more of these decluttering videos, and I hope you guys have a wonderful and safe rest of your night. See you guys in my next video. Bye.